Alright, autopsy is going to begin. Turn the camera on. Alright. Do you have chalk? Why? Because you're going to write down everything I tell you, okay? Even though it's on the camera, I also want it up there too. Alright. The date is September 18th. It is currently, what time is it? 8:14 p.m. We're going to make a Y incision first. Alright. Hand me the rib splitter. Okay. So it looks like I can tell you right away what killed this person. You can? This stab wound hit right in the perfect place for the killer and the worst for our victim. Right in the aorta. Instant killer. Even if you were in a hospital, there would be nothing that we could do. Alright, second victim. I want to first look at the cause of death for both of them, and then I'll go deeper in, because I want to find out if any of them have the CMM symbol or whatnot. Okay? Alright. Once again, it is September 18th. It is now 8:15 p.m. I'm going to make another Y incision. There's multiple stab wounds on this person, whereas that person only has 2 stab wounds. I assume the person, as soon as they stabbed the heart, they stopped. They knew the person was going to die. This person was stabbed at least twice that, at least 4 times. Alright, give me the rib slitter. Okay. Now this person, both of their lungs were punctured, liver was stabbed. I want you to tell me what killed this person. We're looking from everything. If it wasn't the 2 of the punctured lungs, I would say I'm actually going to say the same as the first victim. Aorta. I would agree with you. Alright, now we get to the hard part, trying to find anywhere on the bodies if there is a CMM symbol. We'll go through each specific stab wound, but I want to do that next. Alright?